In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip tool, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app that's already on your device, called Cleanup, and launch it. If you never used it before, select Agree, hit Allow, and Allow All. Finally, to get rid of your junk files, click on them here, tap on One Tap Cleanup, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!